Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show you Google 3D animals. Walk in any device. This tiger, click in view in 3D. So we have to show that tiger. You can play with them. Tiger, lion, panda, any animals you can find here in 3D view. So we have to download two applications. The two applications name was AR Core Element and another is Google Play Service for AR. These two applications most important in this Google 3D animals. So we have to download these elements and enable camera, and another is Google Play Service for AR. How to download Google Play Service for AR, I will show you. Search first Google Play Service for AR APK, and we have to go mirror, and we have to click here, and we have to click the sign of download, and we have to click another number, and another page was open, and we have to show download APK. Click here and option will be given and started download. We have to click OK. So download is going on. We have to install. Install done, and we have to download another applications. That application's name was AR Core Element. AR Core Element. We have to download App Mirror with the help of App Mirror. Some of your phone has not supported this app, then download from here. Can't show in Google Play Store, so we have to download from here, and we have to click download APK, and option will be given OK or cancel. We have to click in OK. So download was started now. 83.56 MB. This application was most important. Downloaded finished, so we have to install now. After installed, we have to open these applications and click allow for each options, and it's run. So it's time to get back from your Chrome, and we have to